The government of Jamaica will spend $1.3 trillion during the 2025 financial year. This budget is about 39% of the entire country's GDP, which is a metric used to measure the size of an economy. In Jamaica's case, the GDP for 2025 is estimated to be $21 billion, which is up from $15 billion in 2019. Now, let's take a look at the budget. Jamaica's budget is split into two main categories: capital expenditure and recurring expenditure. Capital expenditure are funds that are put aside for long-term investments like roads, schools, hospitals, and other infrastructure projects, while recurring expenditure is the day-to-day expenses that keeps government services running. Only about $90 billion is projected to be spent in the capital expenditure category, which means recurring expenditure takes up more than 90% of the total budget. The Ministry of Finance and Public Services will receive the largest payment at around $540 billion. However, most of it is not actually for the ministry. About $331 billion is to service the country's debt. Out of the $331 billion, $162 billion of it goes towards debt repayments, and another $169 goes to debt interest payments. $46 billion out of the total is also to be used for pension payments, leaving the ministry with only $159 billion for its operational expenses. Now, take a look at this list showing how much each ministry will get, ranking from largest to smallest. Focusing on the top 10, the Ministry of Education and Youth is at the top, followed by the Ministry of Health and Wellness, then the Ministry of National Security. So now the question is, where will all of this money come from? Well, the government expects to collect about 1 trillion Jamaican dollars in regular income during the 2025 financial year, most of which will be taxes. Tax income is estimated to be around $900 billion, which makes up approximately 90% of all government earnings. Non-tax income will add another $103 billion. This is money the government earns from fees, licenses, fines, and other government charges. However, since the income isn't quite enough to match the total spending, the government will be using a mixture of borrowing, international grants, and cash reserves to fill the gap between how much they plan to earn versus how much they plan to spend. I hope you learned something today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.